everyone. Thank you for liking my videos. In today's video, we will learn rule of divisibility. But before that, I would request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. In this video, we will learn divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So let's start with 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at its ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That is even number. Let's take an example 24. So at ones place we have 4, which is even number. That means it is divisible by 2. Another example 760. At ones place we have 0, which is again even, so it is divisible by 2. This is the bigger number. At ones place we have 6, which is again even number, so that means it is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Let's take an example. Suppose I'll take an example 245. So I will add this 2 plus 4 plus 5. The sum is 11 and 11 is not divisible by 3. That means 245 is not divisible by 3. Let's take an example 5052. So let's add 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. So that means 5552 is divisible by 3. Let's take a bigger example. 97,851. So let's add 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 plus 1 is 30. 30 is divisible by 3. So that means 97,851 is divisible by. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are either 0 or the number formed by them is divisible by 4. Let's take an example. 5,24,600. You can see the last two digits are 0. In the statement it is given either the last two digits are 0 or divisible by 4. So here the last two digits are 0. That means the number is divisible by 4. Let's check once. 5,24,600. So let's divide by 4 and check. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Again 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20 and this last 0. So that means it is divisible by 4. Another example 324. Here the last two digits are 2, 4, 24 and we all know 24 is divisible by 4. 4, 6 are 24. That means 324 is also divisible by 4. Number is divisible by 5 if the digit at its ones place is 0 or 5. Let's take an example 350. So what we have at ones place? 0. That means it is divisible by 5. It should be either 0 or 5. Let's take a bigger number. Suppose 9,68,425. So what we have at one's place? 5. Either 0 or 5. So that means it is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Let's take an example. 72. Now if you remember, what is the rule for 2? The digit at one's place should be even. So 2 is even, that means it is divisible by 2. Now we'll check the divisibility by 3. What is the rule of divisibility by 3? The sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So that means it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. So 72 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. Children, this is little different. In this you have to double the digit at one's place and subtract from the rest of the number. After subtraction, the answer should be either 0 or divisible by 7. Let's take an example. 250. So let's double the digit at one's place. 2 is at one's place. So double 2 into 2 is 4. And rest of the number is 25. So let's subtract 25 minus 4. That is 21. And we all know 21 is divisible by 7. So that means 252 is divisible by 7. Now let's take another example. 168. So the digit at one's place is 8. Double of 8 is 16, and rest of the number is 16. When you subtract, you will get 0. So it is written either 0 or 7. That means 162 and 252 both are divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are 0 or the number formed by them is divisible by 8. Let's take an example. I will take a bigger number. 9,73,424. So this you know either 0. If 3 digits are 0, that means it is divisible by 8. I'll take the other example. Last 3 digits are 424. Now you have to check whether 424 is divisible by 8 or not. So let's divide and check. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 20. So yes, it is divisible by 8. That means this full number is divisible by 8. See, for these test of divisibilities are very important and very easy to find the bigger number, whether they are divisible by the digit or not. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. It is same as 3, divisibility of 3. So let's take an example. 981, you have to add all the digits. 9 plus 8 plus 1, it is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So that means 981 is divisible by 9. Simple. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place is 0. This is very simple. I think you don't need any explanation, but still I'll give you one example. 240. The digit at one's place should be 0. 240, 8,690, 5,24,620. So in all the numbers, the ones place is 0. That means these numbers are divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Let's take an example. 2,463. Now you have to add the digits which are at odd places. Odd places means at 1 and third place. That means 2 plus 6, 8. Now add the digits at even places. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now you have to find the difference. 8 minus 7 is 1. It is neither 0 nor divisible by 11. That means this number is not divisible by 11. Let's take another example. 7, 9, 3, 7, 6. 79,376. So let's add the odd places. 7, 3 and 6. 7 plus 3 plus 6 is 16. Even places 9 and 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 16 minus 16 is 0. That means this number 79,376 is divisible by 11. I hope it would be helpful to you. If it helps you, do let me know through the comment box below. Thank you.